I'm so lucky. Stila sent me all of my favorites, and I thought, why not create a look with all of Stila's products for you? Because I love Stila, and there's so many products I like from them, and why not show you guys the dealio? Duh. First product I'm going to use is the Stay All Day Waterproof Brow Color. This is in dark, so let's try it. Damn. Wow, that's so nice. Next, I'm going to use the Perfect Me Perfect Hue palette. I'm like obsessed with this palette. It's so pretty, and it has like everything you need, so let's do it. I'm going to take this kind of gold shimmery shade and just place it all over the lid. It's actually a pretty light color, which is nice. I'm just giving like my whole lid like a wash. Bring it up into like the crease. Just keep it super simple. So there's a nice wash on my eyes now. We're gonna keep going, and we're gonna keep it in real time, people. Okay, we're not messing around here. Next, I'm gonna take this kind of chestnut. It's like a warm chestnut. Has a little red undertone in it. Just gonna take a little of that and smoke out the corner of my eye. It's actually pretty subtle, so I need to pick up a little bit more. Voila. And I'm just using this fluffy blending brush. This is from Smith, the 230. And I just bring it like on the corner, and then I get it right in there, in the corner of the crease. Now, if you have like eyes that are really open, my eyes are heavy and see, they disappear. Everything disappears. I could hide things under there. I could hide money. I could hide a lot of things, but it just gives my eye just a little definition, and it makes it a little darker on the edges, which is a nice change. And then you can always go in and blend it more with a cleaner brush. Yes, feeling it, Stila. Now I'm just gonna take the dark brown, and again, just kind of go a little over my lid and a little in the crease, like a teeny little V. Again, a little more definition for my old eyes. And then I'll go in and blend, blend, baby, blend, 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 baby, blend, 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 blend. The greatest tunes from the 60s. Blend, baby, blend, blend, baby, blend, 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 baby, baby. I got a blendy girl, she's super, super blendy. She's so crazy, she eats a lot of candy. She's my blendy girl, and I love her so. Blendy girl. Just kind of like cleaning up. This is a great way to just, you want everything to kind of go upwards. You don't want things to be bringing your eye down. So sometimes you can just go in with a wipe. You can get like a really nice clean line. And then everything's kind of just set and forget. You know what I mean? So we did that. Now I think what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll do a little eyeliner. Now, Stila has the smudge pot, which I'm a huge fan of. This one is in black, and it's brand new, and it's so beautiful. And then they came out with these new, like, these two different ones. There's a intense black. They're both intense black, but are they the same thing? And I'm going to draw a little line like that. So easy. Really easy to use, a small one. So easy. So easy, y'all. So I don't have Stila mascara. So I'm just gonna put on, we'll try this new mascara that I just, you know, the new Kush from Milk. Oops, I just transferred a little bit, but that's not a problem. We'll take care of that. So this is a new mascara that has CBD oil in it. I think? Or cannabis oil? It's pretty good. I would not eat this or smoke this. It might not be totally safe, but let's see. What do you guys think? It's pretty good. Pretty. Yes, Kush. Illuminating Beauty Balm. I'm obsessed with this. It has an SPF 80. So it's like a tinted moisturizer. CC cream, BB cream, whatever you want to call it. This is their Stay All Day 10-in-1. And it's just so pretty. So sometimes I like to put this on first, and it just gives you kind of like a protection. And then it also gives you this nice glow. And then for some people that might be enough. And that's totally fine. If that's all you want, that's all you need, that's great. But for me, I like to add a little bit of the Stay All Day Foundation Concealer. And I love this because it comes with a little bit of foundation in the body of it. And then at the top is the concealer. As you can see, I get busy with that concealer. So this is just like another layer. I actually use the 10-in-1 as my primer, which I don't know if that's allowed, but in my world, it is. I love this foundation so much. It's perfect for me. It's like kind of a light to medium coverage. You can still see all my freckles, but it really does cover everything super nicely, and I'm obsessed with it. And I wear it a lot. As you can see, it's a mess. Can you see how messy that is? And then I can just go in here in the other side of this brush. This is a Stila brush. And just kind of go anywhere I need a little extra love. Perfect. I don't have Stila powder, so I'm just going to use this Wowder from Glossier and a Jenny Patinkin brush. Super nice, super chill, pretty. Oh, I didn't mean to really go over this area because I wanted to use, well, we'll just use it anyway, okay? We're just going to use it anyway. It's not going to be a problem. Everybody calm down. You can use a little, these are so cute. This is Water Lily, and this is one of their Aqua Glow. And it's like this really nice formula. Where am I looking? The mirror, or am I looking at you? And it's just, it's so light. It's so light and pretty and like forgiving and beautiful, and it goes, just glides right into the foundation. So pretty. Do you guys see that? Do you love it? Do you love it as much as I do? This looks just super fresh and easy and no drama for your mama. This is a lipstick in Isabel. I feel like this is like my color. Oh my god, totally. Oh, it's like minty. I love that. Super minty. It's like super easy look. I mean, there's really nothing to it. I mean, this would be like my signature day look. A luminizing shimmer we could put on. Let's try a little, sort of little highlighter. Just a little glow. It's pretty. I mean, you might as well just glow all the time, right? A little on the bow. Right here. Right here. I mean, no harm, no foul, right? Looks really good. I mean, it's just a super easy look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you, Stila, for sending me all that stuff. I love it so much. And you guys comment below. Tell me what you want to see. Let's get busy. EPMA, Stila!